Walang forever. Hi, I'm Sam. Not to brag, pero gwapa, buutan, puti, smart, goal-oriented, ug labaw sa tanan, a wife material. This is my first time to share something private on social media cause I'm not that kind of person na dili mo resort on posts sa Facebook every time nga naay problema. But I just wanted to share this one which I never shared to anyone, not even to my closest friends. This is about me, about us. Call him Luigi. Guapo, responsible, o family-oriented. He's the man I shared my love with for 8 long years. Like that of typical relationships, 9 times nga sweet kaayo mi, 9 times pod nga magsigig away. Pero never meaning give up sa matagusa. Para nako man good, he's the man I'm gonna spend a lifetime with. Fast forward. After I graduated, I immediately went to Cebu para mag-review. 6 months pud mi nga naglagyo, LDR. Dili na ni bag-o sa amoa kay sa nature sa iyang trabaho, bisan asa ra siya ma-assign. Every time maglagyo mi, wa ko'y laing gisaligan kung dili akong trust sa iya. Pagsalig nga ako ra o wa nay lain pa. After I took the board exam, salamat sa Ginoo nakapasar ko, ninguli ko sa amoa, happy and proud. Nagpadayon among gugma, walay na usab, except that I landed a great job. Fast forward. Sulod sa isa ka tuig, dili na mi LDR kay he was assigned in our place. Our relationship went strong until one time, akong gi-open iyang Facebook account, which I rarely do. And with no suspicions at all, gitry na ko review iyang activity log. Kitanaw na ko kinsa iyang gipang search and eventually, naabot ko og check sa months while gi-review pa ko sa Cebu. Na siya gi-search nga name sa girl nga wala ko kaila. I don't know why, maybe a girl's instinct, pero nakulbaan ko. But I just have it past kay lagi I trust his love for me. Fast forward. One day, we had our dinner date sa isa ka restaurant. August 21 to siya, di ko kalimot. We talked so much about us, about our plans sa among life. Na-realize na ko nga it's been so long na di ay nga wala na mi naghisgot about sa among relasyon. I mean, yes, sweet Japon mi pero wala na kayo mi naghisgot o plano sa among relasyon. Naghisgot na siya nga magminyo na mi and the usual things nga ang hisgutan. Pero sa kadaghan sa iyang gipangingon, walay isa nga nakapatandog nako because I'm thinking so much about that name. So wala ko kaagwanta, I confronted him. Who is mentions the girl's name. Nasyak og kadyot. Kinsa man na? Ikaw akong gipangutana, ayaw baliha. Wala ko kailaan na samuy. Then tears started to fall from my eyes, kay I know through his reactions nga naa siya'y gitago nako. For 8 years, I know when and how this man of mine tells the truth and hides the lies. He hugged me, ning hilak na pud siya. Didto ning burst out og taman akong emotion. I know for sure nga wala masayop akong duda. G, please, igna ko unsa imong gitago. I deserve it. Ning padayon lang siya og hilak. So ako na lang siyang gipangutana. Is she your other girl? Lugay kayo siya ning react. I saw guilt in his eyes. G, maski in-consider na lang nimo atong pinagsamahan, I believe I deserve an honest answer. Lugay kayo siya ning tubag. He tried to calm me, kissing my forehead. I'm sorry, Sam. Sorry. Enough. Those words are enough para muhawa ko atong lugara. I quickly stepped outside the restaurant and tried to run as fast as much as I can. I wanted to run away, not only from him, but from the relationship that all the while I thought is strong, unbreakable, and perfect. I found myself alone and lonely in our favorite place. It's a garden I saw before as beautiful as our love story, but as dark as the night that covers its view now. His love is nothing but a lie. I supposed to spend my night there. Bahala gutom o kapoy na kaayo kay wala na ako natiwa sa akong dinner. But late did I know, iya akong giapas. I tried to insist pero tungod kay mas kusgan siya, he managed to carry me and brought me to a hotel. Pag-abot na mo sa room, he gently turned me over to the bed. He remained silent, so I did. This time, I just wanted to sleep and rest, but not so long when he started to talk. Sam, sorry. I didn't respond. Gikapoy jud ko, physically and emotionally. Sam, one night stand lang man to. Lang man? Gilang lang niya. Mura ko gidat ugan sa kalibutan. Kasakit ba oy? Ning sugod na ko bakho. Sakit ang di ka tug-anan sa tinuod pero masakit man di ay ning tug-anan ka sa detalye sa kamatuoran. Ako na siyang gipasagdaan. Nag-meet mi niya sa bar katong time nga nag-away ta. That time, tungod sa akong kasuko nimo, akong gibuhat ang mga dili nimo ganahan. I smoked, niinom ko, and I fucked another girl. Pero Sam, believe me, gimahayan na ko to, sobra. The only intention I have nga nung wala na ko gitugan nimo kay nahadlok ko mawala ka. Nasayop ko ato Sam, and I know nga masakitan ka sa akong nabuhat. 1 year na kapin since I committed that one big mistake, pero until now, wala Japon na ako napasaylo akong kaugalingon. I didn't stop crying. Sakit kayo. That time nga kamulo na ko og review, giantos tanang kamingaw o kalisod para sa akong pamilya o para niya. Pero siya, naglipay-lipay ra di ay. No one can imagine how painful it was to know that the only man you love for the long time has cheated on you. I've been so faithful to him nga gani never ko nagka night out, never ning hatag og attention sa laing laki, never nga nag-cheat sa iyaha. Sakit hunahon nga proud kayo ko sa iyaha kay loyal, buutan, ug walay bisyo. Pero nagpakatangara di ay ko. And you know what's more painful? To know that the room where we checked in that night was the same room they had their night. He explained nga wala daw niya tuyo mao na lang daw to'y available room. Enough of the pain. That night I ended our relationship. Weeks have passed, I didn't communicate with him. I wanted to forget him. After all the years I spent in loving him, this time I want to love myself. Nabisi na pud ko sa akong trabaho. All is well until he texted me one night. He needs to see me daw. Kay tungod gusto na pud nako og proper closure, I agreed. So we met in a different hotel as he suggested para daw na ami privacy. That moment I saw him again, murag gikumot akong dughan. All the while, I thought okay na ko. Nalimtanan na ako siya. Nga naka-move on ako. Pero, mali ko. I still love the man crying in front of me that time. And I missed that man so much. He apologized again. Sige daw siya contact na ako and bisan ahan na lang daw siya nangita na ako. Pero, mailap daw ko. Which is true. Because I really have no intentions to show. Pero wala ko nagpahalata sa akong feelings. Of course, I could never forget what he did. But to my surprise, he kneeled down before me. He cried so hard. Sam, please, be mine again. I love you so much. Di na ko kaya nga wala ka. Yes, pwede ko nimo ingnon nga di man day na ko kaya pero nga nung gihimo pa man ako to. nganong nakaako man ko og himo sa butang nga kabalo kong masakitan ka. Gimahayan na nako to Sam, believe me. I know now the consequence nga maski one night ra to, long term ang damage kog effect ato sa imuha, sa atong relasyon. Pero Sam, please, pasayloan ako. Dili ta ka pugson nga kalimtan akong nabuhat, pero give me another chance nga ma-prove sa imuha nga nagbag-o nako, that I love you so much. Please, Sam. Call me martyr, but I believe what he said. Can you blame me? I still love Luigi. And I don't know, but I feel his sincerity in every word he uttered. So that night, I gave my love to him. We made love. Another year has passed, and we are still together. During those times, I saw Luigi struggled a lot in gaining back my trust. Ma-effort na kayo siya, sige nag pang-surprise, maski gagmay nga occasion, ginahatagan na niya og value. But above it all, I saw Luigi drawing himself near to God. Kauban sa iyang pagbag-o ang pagduol niya sa presensya sa Ginoo. Karon, we are very much happy and contented sa among relasyon. Ako, nagpasaylo na pud nako siya completely. Although wala jud nako nalimtan iyang sala, dili tinuod ng forgive and forget. Pero once you truly forgive, inig ma-remember nimo, dili na siya sakit. After all these trials we've been through, I realized one thing. Ang kabag-uhan sa isa ka tao, dili maggikan sa iyang isig ka tawo. Dapat maggikan kini sa Ginoo. Kay kung ikaw iyang rason sa iyang pagbago, kung mawala ka, mawala na pod iyang rason. Pero kung Ginoo ang nagpagbago niya, dili siya mawad-an og rason sa pagbago, kay never mawala ang Ginoo. By the way, just this year, he proposed to me. To all the young couples out there, this generation's saying is true. Walang forever pag walang Jesus in the center. Believe me. Sam, CPA, engaged. Pagadian City.